So people, we are going for somebody husband. Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I'm back with another video. I have two special guests.
Active Chips here.
Yeah, you. And we have a different version, a very upgraded version. Anna version of Smash or Pass. However, we're going to be doing breakfast, lunch, dinner, or pass. So if you hear a name call and you hear the people in my pass here, I don't my fault. So,
Right, this
alright. We're gonna start off with drum roll, DJ Nigel. So, would you dine, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or pass DJ Nigel?
Definitely breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm gonna ask guys.
All of them?
All of them. It's a big meal. It's a big deal. Yeah. Big deal.
We don't need nothing else. We don't need explanation. Let's hear what Sassy has to say.
Big deal. All three. Big deal. Although I'm an uncle, I love him up here.
We don't hear about the family around them. We don't hear about really. Alright. So our next contestant is drumroll Mixmaster. Would you?
I think the lunch.
Why?
Just have a lunch figure. Not really the breakfast and the dinner for me, but I will go to the lunch with you, mixing master, definitely.
You hear that mixing master? Just a lunch.
The lunch.
Yeah, no, and I mean say so. What you say, Sassy?
The breakfast.
Why?
And breakfast, I'm always festive.
Oh, so you're in love, you know what breakfast is? Alright, we're not going nowhere else. Let's see who is next. We have a Tough Man TV, or Tough Man Entertainment.
Lord God. Tough man, Lord God. Have a breakfast, you know.
Which one is breakfast then? Because you have two types of breakfast. You have the, oh God, last night was great. You have the, no, but the boy have to buy me something.
No, the boy look like he can just buy me something.
Oh?
So, the breakfast settings, right? That's so shit.
Right, that's so, right, that's so.
Yeah.
Sassy,
Pass.
you pass?
Yes.
Alright, Tough Man. I saw it going again for all the way. J Entertainment coming next. Look what the people have to say. What you say for J?
Pass, you're too young. I'm not run preach.
Alright, Sassy. Alright, Jay, that's a double pass for you. Anna me say so, Adam say so. You ready?
Yeah.
So next we have AG Dine, jamaican. But we'll start with Sassy people.
Yeah.
Oh. What you say for AG?
Lunch.
Lunch? Just
Yeah.
lunch?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're very, very sure?
Yeah.
Maybe you chance to choose again.
Yeah, lunch.
Alright, Choopsy, take it over.
Listen, none of the above. I'm too old and miserable. I can't bother with the mosquito and I'm here. Ning, 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 ning.
AG?
Pass.
AG? I don't miss it so.
Pass no man. Sure.
You pass? So the next person on the list is a tall man. Now put here what you say.
Pass. You're too maga no man. I want porridge.
Alright.
All of the above. Him airy like that. Yes. Yes.
People, we not just watch it pre. Watch it pre, please. Go again.
All of the above cause him airy like that.
Tall man, please send Sassy a number.
Hey, jump roll.
Alrighty. So the next person is Chef Biscuit.
Breakfast.
Which one is breakfast, ma'am?
In bed.
Mm.
The boy
Woo!
has a buzz.
In bed.
Him have a buzz.
In bed. Alright, so come.
Fast. No. So.
Come, you have to say pass again, can never get that.
Chef, my pass you. Me and your friend, but my pass you. That's not my cup of tea.
People, the next person we have is drumroll, Rooftop Entertainment.
Jeez, now they're going to use the alter ego. Girl, I kill people who are not rooftop.
Alright, welcome again. The next person is Skill Quick.
Woohoo! Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah.
Come.
Hey, I'm not lie. You block the nice chocolate body there, but it's a lunch setting for me.
You hear that? Lunch setting.
Lunch
Skill
setting.
Quick, kill your ego.
Real quick. Real quick.
Alright, people, we have my brother up next. TWTS TV to what really are going.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
So what you say about my brother now?
Lunch.
What kind of lunch? People, I don't understand how sassy festive so. So the next person is Lando. What you say?
Pass.
What you say? Will you pass Lando? Alright, OG. Oh, alright, Lando. I don't mean say so. OG, are you next? My God, come out of my mouth, man. What you say for OG?
Pass, you're too worried now, man.
Master, big old
Can't
word,
bother.
can't bother. Never gonna kill him.
What you say?
Yeah, never gonna kill him.
Lord
This
Jesus.
thing I'm going to go for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm
And
going
my
to watch my
one
back.
bag girl come with him.
Yeah, I can't bother if you look back at me. Pass.
Alright, so what is about bullseye?
Pass.
Pass.
I'll be a pastor, yes, so. No. What will you going to say? Pass. Some people want to say about Marlon.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Him look like he's a package. Can't go on.
When I hear them something
Yeah,
there?
the whole package.
What you say about Marlon?
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Man, chips are fighting, chips can't fight, you know?
Yeah, one.
Hey, girl.
Just forgot share me. Just forgot share.
Alright, let's step it up a bit. We want to say about Jamaican cuisine with that twist. We want to say about Jamaican cuisine with that twist.
Babes, pass. I just a pass you. Pass.
Pass. Why you pass, Kenny? Kenny can't cook, you know? Alright. So we have Teflon Dan. Teflon Dan. What is about Teflon?
Yeah, breakfast, lunch, and dinner with the people. Them husband.
Teflon, don't make your wife eat a party. Please, me, I beg you. Just don't make your wife sit a party. Come, so see what you say.
Yeah, pass, come here, forgot murder him. Me, I forgot murder.
You can make your wife hear that part there. Make your wife hear that part. So people, we are going for somebody husband. Raven, just step aside.
Right there,
Cock
sir.
your ears. I don't know what you want to do. But this is not for you. So we are going with Damien from the Grand Family. Would you go on a breakfast, lunch, dinner, or would you pass? Let's go with you.
Give me the lunch, please. Just a regular lunch. We eat, talk, and then we just go home.
Alright, Damien, you hear that? Raven, cock your ears. What I say? That's it.
Raven, step aside, me, I take him over. All of the above.
Raven, watch your friend them. We know how you assassin roll.
Tell the truth, and love.
Damien, you hear it. And I mean, say so, assassin and
And
Choopsy.
that's a go on for what?
Guys, remember to follow their channel at
Active Choopsy.
This is Saliva.
follow me and my gingeration them. Bye. So guys, this is it for our edition of breakfast, lunch, dinner, or pass.
Right, that's a
Comment down below your favorite part and tell me if you'd go on a date, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or you'd pass any of them money here. You can also put video ideas down below. Remember, it's your girl Anna with a good week coming out strong this year. I hope you appreciate this video, guys. Remember to check out each and every channel that I mentioned. Have a good day. Hey guys, it's your girl and I'm have two special guests.
Active Choopsy.
And today we'll be doing a Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I'm back with another video. However, today we are doing a this week. You already know?